What's up, y'all? Back at it again with another video. It's currently Sunday. The whole family is on vacation. I'm on my way to go take care of 3 dogs, Haru, Allie, and Russell. All right, enough talking. Let's get to it. We're gonna be on the way to Jen's house right now. All right, guys, we're at Jennifer's house, about to let the dogs out. Yo, this dog crazy. Shut up! I'm taking care of you for the next few days. Shut up! You shut up! I admit, I am living a nightmare.
It was at this moment that Kevin knew. He fucked up.
He stopped barking. Alright guys, next on the list to do is to feed the plants. Okay, yo. Me and Charlie haven't eaten all day. We're about to go get some food and we'll be right back.
Look at this dude. Look at his hair.
You stink. You're too loud.
Motherfucker. What's up, nigga? Gangsta rap, nigga.
Allie, outside.
What's up, nigga? What's poppin'?
Russell, what's up with your eyes, cuz? Russell. Finally, it's towards near the end of the day. This dog is still barking. I let 2 dogs out now. I'm trying to let this dude out. It's just the door. The gate is open. Doesn't want to go. Success. Oh wait, where are you going? Where are you going?
Charlie feeding the fish before we go. Oh yeah.
Final verdict on Haru.
Oh.
Dude's annoying, but kicked him in his neck.
Oh! It's day 2. About to go let the dogs out. You think Haru will go out today?
No, let me get a big.
What's up, nigga?
Gonna try and let this dog out one more time. I already fed the plants. I already fed the dogs. About to go meet up with Tiger.
You scared me.
Manu wanted us to take Russell over so Tiger can watch him, cause Russell's scared of Haru. Dog crazy. Right, Russell?
Making my way through the hood, sipping this yak. Niggas about to get blown with the Mac.
I guess Tiger left Elise in here. Elise! Yay! Go! The boys and I just grabbed some Chipotle. Took a break from the dogs.
Chipotle.
Just got off work. About to go let Allie out and try and let Haru out for the last time. Wish me luck.
Nice. You feel so nice.
Still barking.
Allie, go. Get in. Boy. We'll calm him down. Maybe. I know you like. I know you like it. Okay. I know you like. I know you like. Yes. Yes, baby.
Oh, this is definitely some type of dressing.
And I think if I stayed in there any longer, I'd go crazy because of Haru. Back at Kenneth's house, Tyga ordered pizza. We're done with dogs for the day. No more! It's currently day 3, taking care of the dogs. I woke up and I forgot about one dog.
That's like a trap me. Zoom.
He wants to do is play, not drink his water. I'm out of breath. See you at the next house. It's an easy day. It's raining out. The dogs don't want to go outside. I ain't got to water the plants. Let's get it! Update, Haru smell like piss. The door is still open. He don't want to come out. Don't.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
I didn't let him out. The door open for 10 minutes now. Just fed the fish. In a bucket, bro. Alec, hey! Slow down. Let's go. Turns out that it is not raining anymore, and I am now watering the plants. I just got off work while I let the dogs out. Y'all can hear the decibels that this dog is at. More louder than Chiefs Stadium. God damn. The little baby.
Get out my bed!
The little baby.
Get out my bed!
Made it to Kenneth's house. Played some Fortnite. We're done with dogs for the day. I feel so bad for the neighbors. I am so sorry. I am so sorry, neighbors. We're just gonna leave him out there all day. Doors open, the dude's still in his cage. They come back today. Thank goodness. Never thought I'd say that. Woo! I guess in the end it worked out after all. Haru! Hey! Yeah, you stink really bad because you peed on yourself for 3 days straight. And I can't believe I'm touching you right now. Oh yeah, you stink. That's gonna end it.